You've probably heard people arguing about CapCut, Alight Motion and InShot. It's which app is best for you. Let's settle this in less than 2 minutes. First, CapCut. CapCut is the king of speed. If you want to create YouTube Shorts, TikToks, Reels, or even YouTube videos quickly, CapCut makes life easy. It comes with templates, auto captions, AI tools, effects, and transitions that can make your videos look professional in minutes. That's why so many beginners start here. Opening parenthesis CapCut-in.net. Next, Alight Motion. Alight Motion is for creators who want more control. If you're into motion graphics, advanced text animations, smooth velocity edits, and crazy visual effects, Alight Motion is hard to beat. The learning curve is steeper, but the creative possibilities are almost endless. Alight Motion's apps. Then we have InShot. InShot is the simplest of the three. It's perfect for quick cuts, basic transitions, adding music, and posting content fast. If you don't want to spend hours learning editing, InShot gets the job done with minimal stress. Opening parenthesis senior editing zone.com. So, which one wins? If you're a beginner, CapCut. If you're an animation and effects lover, Alight Motion. If you want simple and fast editing, InShot. My recommendation: start with CapCut, learn storytelling and editing basics, then add Alight Motion later for advanced effects. That's the combination many mobile creators use today. Community discussions also frequently describe CapCut as easier for beginners, while Alight Motion shines for motion graphics and advanced control. Reddit. Now tell me in the comments, which editor are you using right now, CapCut, Alight Motion, or InShot? And don't forget to subscribe for more smartphone editing tips.